Welcome to my channel Furty's Cake and Sugar Art. Today I am going to show you how to use this embosser and ribbon cutter. So keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. So first I am showing you, I use this one like this. This is the embosser. So let me remove all these things. So this set came with all these things. You see this part and this part, and this is the main thing of the roller. So I can take it like this, and then what I have to do, you see there is the two disc, and then you have a screw and this thing. Okay, so first what we have to do, we have to take one disc and put it inside, and then we have to use this one to use all these rings. So first I put it here. So for the embossing they give this design. Here is 3 4, so you can make this big, and then we have that other design. That one is, here is also 4. We have these simple ones, and then this pattern and this one. So 3 design. For the ribbon size, so you can make this thin or this size, or even this size. Even you can make like this big, or if you want bigger than this one, then you can use all of this and make it big, like this size. So let's show you how you can use. First I am showing you how you can make the ribbon. So I put this one, then I don't want to make it too big, but I have to fill the whole thing, otherwise I can't use this one. So always what I am doing, I am keeping this thing here. Now I want to make it thin one, so I am using that simple one. So use this for the cutting. You see these lines and that's inside thing here. So this, and then I want this size, put it here, and then the other one. Then at last I have to use this disc and that screw to keep it tight, or they don't come out. And then this one. So you can make it tight, but if you make it too tight, it won't move. So it's not easy to cut the ribbon. So make it little bit loose. You see? A little bit, not too much. Yeah, now it's fine. I take some pink fondant and roll it. Don't worry, I didn't mix it properly. It will look nice. The white and pink. You can make it as long as you want. Now I'm only showing you how you can cut the ribbon. So I cut this sides. Okay, now you can see the whole thing. So I put it here. Now the thing is, I want to use this size ribbon, so I place it here and then cut my ribbon. See, it want to come out, don't worry about this. You can hold like this, and then now you don't have to hold it, and then cut it easily. Let me show you. Here is the ribbon. It's it's easy. Now I want to make a different pattern, so I remove all these things and make a big one. So let me use this one. So first I want to put this one, and then let me see how big I want this one, and then here I have to use this one, and then the disc. All the time I have to use this. Okay, from here. See. You can make bow with this pattern. So, I need to use this, and then this one. We keep it aside. It's very easy, huh? Now I'm using this one. Let me show you. From here, cut. So this one is very nice. You can use it for the bow's ribbon. See the pattern? It's very nice. And let me check how I can use it for this bow. Yeah. Let me make it a little bit small. Don't want it too big. Then so keep it aside. Now I'm going to show you how you can ambush. So I take them out. And here you can see that 4, but I want to use 2 of them. So just fill this thing first with anything. So I'm using these ones. And then another one. Now I'm using this ambush thing. Let me check if it's fine for 2 of them. I think there is some gap. So I want to use a thin one like this, and then put them inside. Now it's fine. Now I'm using this disc the same way, and then this one. Now you can see how you can ambush with this. So place it here and then keep going. If you don't want this extra thing, you can cut here also. So it's like this. Here I am using 4 of this, then the disc, and then the same way you have to do that thing. Start from here and keep going. So here is some extra, so I want to cut it. And here also. And this pattern is very beautiful. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.